learning project for week 17 and 18. The goal of this project was to build a Python program that can decrypt and encrypt zip files. I also used AI tools like ChatGPT to help me develop the program and fully understand how it works. First, about the problem, zip files can be protected with passwords, which makes them impossible to open if you don't know the correct password. My task was to build a Python program that can help decrypt these zip files based on some passwords rules. The passwords are always 6 character or fewer and only use lowercase letter and numbers. Now, how I built my solution? First, since no encrypted files were provided, I built my own encryption script. This script creates 5 text files and then locks each one inside a zip file using a random password that follows the rules. Every time I run this script, it generates different passwords automatically. For example, one file might have the password D1, another might have 080, or Alea or any other password. After creating these text files, I built my decryption script. When I run the decryption script, it asks me to enter a password. Then, it automatically goes through all the zip files in the folder and tries to open each file using the password I typed. If the password matches the one used to encrypt that file, it opens the file successfully. If the password doesn't match, it shows a failed message. Now I want to share how I did it about how I changed my approach because in the beginning I considered using brute force, which means the program will out. But now I will show you how to execute the scripts. First, you execute the encryption Python script, then you execute the decryption script. Then it will prompt you for a password. Now, as you can see, it will successfully open the first file with the password matching. It is also trying with the rest of the folders of the files, but it's not gonna work because it's not the password required. Now, I log and about logging and file management. My decryption script also creates a log file called decryption log.txt. This file records which files were successfully decrypted and which ones failed. That way, I can always check the results after running the program. And what I learned with this assignment, through this project, I learned a lot about how to create zip files using Python, encrypt and decrypt files, handle errors, and log results. And most importantly, I learned to solve problems by using AI assistance from ChatGPT whenever I ask Talk. Okay.